Welcome to BarbecuePitBoys.com. Can you smell that? It smells good.
It's a smoke ring summer, let it roll all night. Beef ribs burning that sweet red light. Cold beer sweating in my right hand. Left hand turning that meat on the stand. Your flame kiss, fat drips.
If you're ever in Austin, Texas, check out Stiles Switch BBQ and this Notorious RIB. It was so damn good, we just had to make it at the pit. These right here are beef short ribs, Dino ribs. And if you've never cooked one of these, today's the day you learn how. All right, we're gonna give the ribs a quick light trim. Just the corners. They don't really need a whole lot of work here. Just take some of those thin corner bits off since they're just gonna burn anyway. Some people will trim all that fat cap off, but nah, we're gonna keep that. Fat is flavor. For the backside, we're just going to give it a light score. You don't want to pull that membrane off because it's holding everything together. All right, ribs are trimmed. Now we season them up. First thing, Worcestershire sauce. We're using it as a binder. Get it all over. Top, sides, don't miss a spot. Oh yeah. Now, generous amount of 16 mesh black pepper, and I mean generous. The food police gonna be pissing and moaning about this one. Next up, our Kansas City Smoke Rub. Gives you that smoky, lightly sweet flavor. Oh man, that's some good stuff right there. And last but not least, a little bit of Lawry's seasoning salt. Just a bit. Don't tell nobody. Don't forget the sides. All right, there we go. You getting hungry or what? Now, we're gonna let these sit for about 15 minutes while we get the smoker fired up.
Hitting hard on this busted up tailgate. Dust on my boots, sweat on my face. Got a cooler full of long necks, buddies rolling in late. Charcoal glowing like a backyard stage. Dry rub ready on a rusted sheet pan. Rack of ribs looking like a game day plan. Dogs chasing cans in the tall cut grass. Somebody cranks that radio fast. It's a smoke ring summer, let it roll all night. Beef ribs burning that sweet red light. Cold beer sweating in my right hand. Left hand turning that meat on the stand. Your flame kiss, fat drip, sweat on my shirt. Laugh till it hurts, sauce in the dirt. If love's on the menu, baby, first in line in this smoke ring summer of mine. Neighbor boy bragging about his brand new rig. I just flipped my ribs, say smell this kid. Juice running down, got the whole block staring. Stick your fingers, nobody caring. You lean back in that ring summer of mine. Stars in the sky, you lick the bone clean, I'm feeling so high. Oh, yeah. Who needs a bar when the night tastes like this? Brisket, smoke, halo, backyard bliss. It's a smoke ring summer, let it roll all night. Beef ribs burning that sweet red light. Cold beer sweating in my right hand, left hand turning that meat on the stand. Your flame kiss, bad drip, sweat on my shirt. Laugh till it hurts, sauce in the dirt. Ring summer of mine. One more time, and this smoke ring summer of mine.
You can smell it down the block, cut the charcoal, kill the